Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, you guys can see our history and you guys can see that we discuss all the profitable trades and we do not keep anything from you. We guys also discuss the stop losses that we hit on a regular basis. Okay, so but overall we are always positive at the end of the month. Okay, you guys can do all the math for yourself as well. All my videos on the monthly basis are available. Okay, let us not waste any further time and let us go straight to the charts of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, and Euro versus US dollar. Okay, so today it is 5th of July. Let us continue the discussion from where we left off from the 4th of July. Okay, so when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was trending approximately over here in this gold area, and you guys can clearly see that market did not really test our area of resistance. But if you guys were vigilant enough, maybe you guys could have taken a short position from here. As you guys can see that this red candle was a very good candle to take a selling position from this short area. Okay, so if you guys would have taken this short position, your stop loss would be just above this previous candle and your take profit could be approximately over here and giving you guys a 1.7% profit at least. Okay, and other than that, once again, when market entered our major area of resistance, market did not close below this area. And since we were bullish in this gold, we will be waiting for the market to come down a little bit and test our area of uh, this 2350 before going upwards, and you guys can clearly see in this huge sparking candle market has tested our minor area of support and is gone up. Okay, so this is a clear sign of a bullish sentiment that market is going towards the buying center instead of the selling center. Okay, so buyers seem to be in control for gold for now. So I'm just going to move forward these scenarios. The levels are going to remain same for now. So just simply moving forward these scenarios for you guys so you guys can easily take trade in this gold versus US dollar today, and just simply follow the rules of key for entries method that we discuss in every video, and I take trades in front of you guys. So just simply follow that method and you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so that's all for gold for today. Let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair. Okay, so in this GBP USD pair, you guys can clearly see that we were bullish in this GBP USD pair, and market gave us a few opportunities to take those trades as well. Okay, so when we were discussing, market was trending over here. So once market tested our short term our major area of resistance and close below, we could take a short position from here. So let me take that short position. This will be our trade number one from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a take profit of 0.8%. Okay, then again market tested our area of major resistance and giving opportunity of short-term trade. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately less than 0.3%, which means we'll be hitting a stop loss in this trade. Okay, one stop loss and another stop loss will be hit over here because market just closed below our area of resistance, and market did not give us another opportunity of making a good trade. So two stop losses were hit. Okay, then over here market gave us an opportunity for a buying entry. Okay, so we could take a buying entry over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here at a 0.3% level, which means that we would have only break even on this trade. Okay, and now this is a huge candle with a bullish sentiment. As you guys can see that we are bullish in this GBP USD. So let us just wait for the right amount of right available trade, As this is a huge candle, I would prefer to stay out of the market for now because my stop loss would be very huge. So I would wait for another candle to be a green small candle, something a little bit more solid like this. We do not trade on the simple plus signs candle because they are not a confirmation that market is gonna go up in the in our direction. Okay, so the our areas of support and areas of support and resistance are going to remain same for today as well. So I'm just going to move these scenarios forward for you guys, so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP USD pair. And if you guys have any confusion, just let us know in the comment section, and we will try our best to solve your query or to help you guys out as much as possible. Okay, so just follow the simple key for entries method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD pair, from where we left off yesterday. Okay, so as you guys can see that when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending approximately over here. Okay, and from here you guys can see that market was trading just inside our area of marked resistance, and market did not close below our area of resistance, not even once. So we could not take any selling position, and since we were bullish in this Euro USD pair, we were looking for some good buying positions. Okay, so market gave us approximately one, two, and three opportunities of buying, which would have given us very good profits. Okay, so let me take these trades in front of you guys. So this will be trade number one. The stop loss will be approximately just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be minimum over here at a 3.7% level. So trade one profit is 3.7%. This will be our trade number two. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a minimum profit of 8.8%. Okay, so huge profits in these two trades. And then in this third candle, market again tested our area of major resistance and closed above with a green candle. We could again take an entry. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be minimum approximately over here, giving us a 3.5% profit at least. And you guys can clearly see that market has now broken past convincingly from our area of resistance, and market is making a good move towards the buying sentiment. Okay, as we were bullish in this pair, so we will be looking for some good bullish entries as well, but I would prefer to stay out of the market after this candle because market is because this is a huge candle in comparison to the all previous candles. Okay, but again, if you are a risky trader, then you guys can also take this entry with a big stop loss. Okay, so now let me just simply move forward the scenarios for the 5th of July, which is today. The areas of support and resistance are going to remain same, and so let me just simply move these forward for you guys so you guys can easily take trades in this Euro USD pair. Okay, yes. Okay, so that's all for today for the Euro USD. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.